thunderstorm warning for east central Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, northern Logan County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:14 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles west of Cimarron City, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Guthrie, Langston, Crescent, Cashin, Coyle, Cedar Valley, Mohall, Cimarron City, Orlando, and Lake Carl Blackwell. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in the sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
At least indeed this wine's crap.
And also fried squash and meatloaf. Let's go ahead and look at the radar. So that severe thunderstorm that is near Fort Cobb and Gracemont, that thing looks like it's trying to hook Echo. Guys, I am very concerned about this storm on YouTube. Peridot, look at my screen and tell me if I should not be concerned. I am very concerned. This is the storm that is north of Port Cobb, heading... It's going to pass north of Chickasha. Yeah, it's trying to make a hook. Oh! Oh, hell no. That hook is looking much more... It's like north of Fort Cobb. I know, but it's making a hard hook. If you know what I mean. It's doing a well-defined hook thing. That is not good. This is a classic mesocyclone, folks. Prayers for Gracemont right now. I hope I didn't jinx it. Huh, what's next? A freaking TLRC? This is heading... Let me get the direction of the movement of the storm. Come on, News 9. You can do it. This thing's heading right for Mustang and Moore. Moore, Tuttle, and Mustang. It's heading right for those areas. It's gonna pass just north of Chickasha, heading towards Mustang, Tuttle, and Moore. And possibly even Midwest City. And if it continues further north and east, it's gonna go right over this area. I am very concerned. I am very concerned. Not good. Hold on, guys. I got another SPR.
Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Logan County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Concho, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Kingfisher, Piedmont, Crescent, Okarche, Cashin, Cedar Valley, Cimarron City, Lovell, and Concho. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Yeah.
At least he didn't do that lightning statement and then fucking butcher it.
You know what they butcher the worst? Is when they issue a freaking lightning statement at the very end and a cautionary preparedness statement. Wow, you just caught that just in time. Damn. That should not be installed in any home, though. Only collectors should have these. Damn. Is that the... I can't remember. 2030. Okay, thank you. Simplex 2030. Huh. 40. 4030. Sorry about that. Ouch. What? Thumbs up for that. You know what's the best thing I have so far? My Sanjay Seal 100. And the Balfang. Oh. Oh, that's a few minutes ago. Oof.
Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Grady County in central Oklahoma, east central Caddo County in southwestern Oklahoma, southeastern Canadian County in central Oklahoma until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles south of Kogar, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include southwestern Oklahoma City, Yukon, Mustang, Tuttle, Union City, Minko, and Kogar. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. The storm is producing large hail. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.